What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another mini-sode of Pursuit of Everything. So this is the deal. We got the LibTech, the old wake surf mobile. We no longer have the Mastercraft, so we're gonna put this thing to new use, give it some new life. We got some Amazon foot straps. So ideally, this is gonna look like this. And with like the moto winch or the toe ends and whatnot, we'll have a little strap-in board for now. The only issue is this board does not have screws or anything for these straps, and it's kind of a nice board, so I don't want to just drill it straight in. After some YouTubing, I figured out what we need to do. Long story short, we need to get some T-nuts. We're gonna drill 2 holes in. I want to keep the pad too if possible, so we're gonna drill a hole in here, drill a hole in here, put the T-nuts in, then fiberglass them down into the board, and then that way when we screw these in, we can remove these if we want, and the T-nuts and everything will still be in the board. So this LibTech though is like, I think it's the way to go. It's like pretty fucking badass when it comes to the core and the foam and everything. So I'm thinking this is gonna work. So we're gonna do an Ace Hardware run. I'm gonna bring you with me, and fingers crossed. Secured. So we got T-nuts and epoxy. All right, so we got everything we need. We got the T-nuts. So these things will go into the board here. Then we got same width screws, but we got them in a shorter length so that I don't have to worry about it going through the board. Yeah, so this is gonna go in here in the foot strap. This is gonna get put into the actual board using these things. So we're gonna drill holes in. Then once we put the T-nut in, we're gonna use this marine epoxy to pretty much seal the T-nuts in, and then yeah, we'll be able to take them in and out. So first thing I'm gonna do is line these things up and remove some of this padding so I can get the T-nuts down, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. We pretty much only got one shot at this though, so I'm gonna try and line it up perfectly, but I don't know. Here we go. Two T-nuts, one here and one here. We use this right here to drill into the foam about that deep. So just about, half an inch or so. We drill directly down into the foam. This creates a little circle hole. We pressed the T-nuts down into the hole so it was flat with the foam. Okay, boom. We got bolts, 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 bolts. A little bit of a mess, but not too long of a process. And now we just put this epoxy on. Then we went ahead and poured the fiberglass over top, put a sheet of fiberglass down, and then put a screw in just to let it dry, make sure none of the fiberglass got down into the hole there. All right, so there it is. Holes are in, epoxy's on. It's drying. While it's drying, I'm gonna do a quick cleanup. Final look, she's drying. Once it's all dry and hardened, I might put one more layer on that, but then we'll insert the foot straps. These are like 25 bucks on Amazon. I think they were just kiteboarding foot straps, but We got the second layer of Bondo or epoxy on. Screws are in, so now it's just time to put the straps on. Here we go. Oh, is it gonna hold? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But there it is. I'd say the main takeaway is having the right tool here with this this drilling tool to make sure you have the right depth and the right size, and then making sure you get these T-nuts nice and flush down into the foam so that there's not a big bump or anything. I really wanted to have a surfboard of some sort that had the strap-ins. Looking online, I just didn't see a lot of people making their own foot straps or being able to insert this in and pull it in and out properly. I just wanted to be able to put this board to use. It's an old wake surfing board that beyond this strap board, it wasn't gonna get used anymore. So this wake surf board is gonna have some new life. Very excited to put it to use. This is actually, we made a video about this a very long time ago when we first started kind of wake surfing before getting the boat and everything. So definitely have a little bit of a soft spot for this board, and stoked for you guys to see us putting it to use on the next video. Hope you like this video. We're gonna be doing a lot more project videos like this, showing you behind the scenes on how we get the gear ready, how we prepare certain things. If you like it, please subscribe, comment, share. Anything that you guys do helps. If you like the merch, I don't have the merch on right now, but if you like the POE merch that we usually have on in all the videos, you can go to pursuitofeverything.co. For now, that's a motherfucking wrap.